Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set Skype profile photo private to others on an Android device. Well, knowing how to set your Skype profile photo to private can help protect your privacy by ensuring that only the people you choose can see your photo. It's especially important if you want to control who has access to your profile picture. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the Skype app on your device. Well, so on this page, click your profile here and then select Settings option. Okay, after that you can choose Account Profile menu. Next, you can select Profile Picture. Then activate the second one, Contact Only. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to set Skype profile photo private to others on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.